Project 613, day 100. Today we're going to learn 4 mitzvahs associated with the laws of the kosher diet. First mitzvah for today. If someone plants vegetables or grains in a vineyard, this is a biblical prohibition. It is called kilei hakerem. You are mixing different seeds and different types of foods together in the planting stage, which is prohibited, and therefore someone who consumes either the grapes or the grains from such a vineyard, that is a biblical prohibition. The biblical prohibition is only in the land of Israel. Outside of the land of Israel, it is only a rabbinic prohibition. In the land of Israel, when you have a field and you harvest, all of your produce needs to be tithed. There are different tithes that need to be taken and separated. Some that goes to the Kohen, some to the Levites, some to the poor, some that needs to be eaten in Jerusalem. And if someone did not properly separate the tithes from their produce is not kosher. You're not allowed to eat from it. Wine that was used as an idolatrous libation is prohibited for drinking for a Jew. And therefore, any wine that is appropriate to be used as a libation, if it was touched or moved by an idolater, it is prohibited for a Jew to drink that wine. That's the prohibition of yayin nesef. And finally, we have the mitzvah of shechita, of ritual slaughter. When it comes to eating meat, we are commanded in the Torah that we cannot just kill the animal and eat its meat. The kosher animal must be killed in a specific way, which is called shechita. It is done with a certain type of knife at a specific place in the body. It has to be done in a specific way, and only if it's done properly according to the laws of shechita may a Jew consume from that meat. Interestingly enough, the details of how shechita is done is not mentioned even once in the Torah. The concept of shechita is mentioned all over the Torah. We talk about shechita when we speak about the idea of sacrifices in the Holy Temple. Whenever we speak about consuming meat, it tells us in the Torah that we have to slaughter the animal. But how to slaughter it is not mentioned even once in the Torah. All of the details of shechita were communicated by God to Moses as Torah Shebal Peh, as the oral tradition. So even though the details of shechita and every part of it was communicated to us as part of the oral Torah, it is a biblical commandment. And that's the only way that we can eat meat in a kosher fashion. Thank you all for watching. More tomorrow.